developed grinding teeth to chew tough plants.
If you're doing online meetings, you have to try Krisp. With the magic of a click, nobody will hear your dogs barking, your washing machine, your crying baby, and any other noise during an online meeting. And you won't hear others' noises too. Krisp is an AI-powered tool that bi-directionally mutes all background noise during conference calls in real time. And guess what? You can use Krisp with any conferencing app. Take your online conferencing to the next level and sound super professional in your calls. Oh, and it's free.